My name is Joe Santiago.
From Brazil.
I'm from Washington State.
I'm Deborah, and this is my husband Anand. We are Indians.
So what was your favorite part of the tour at the Temple Institute?
It's the ark.
The horns and the trumpets were made. It was just fascinating.
The best part for me was the third section, the Holy of Holies.
Sacerdotes dressing, the cathedral here with the stones and everything, and also the paintings. They are very beautiful and explain detail by detail how the service was.
The presentation and the exhibit was just absolutely excellent.
You're gonna like it. I recommend all the people to come here